Now in this section I'm going to show you how to use the code module so you can drop HTML code directly into a page. So just to illustrate the principle here, I'm going to bring up Google Maps, and this is Darch, the suburb I live in Perth. And if I want to, I can go over here where it says menu, and then I can go to share, and then I can go to embed, and I can select a custom size. So I'll go for say 1000 by 600. I can preview the size there. I think, yeah, that looks okay, but what I'll do is I'll actually change that to 500. So it gives it a sort of a sort of nice elongated size. So we'll just preview that. I think, yep, that's fine. And if I click here, that's what's called an iframe. It doesn't matter what an iframe is, but basically it's just a piece of HTML code. So if I click here, it says copy HTML. That code has now been copied into memory. So if I go back here on the home page here, I'm going to enable the Visual Builder, and I'm going to scroll right down to the bottom of the page here. I'm going to insert a section right at the end, so I'll add a new section. I'll just take the defaults here. And this time I'm going to select the code module. Now what this allows me to do is, if I press Ctrl V, is to paste this HTML code directly into the page. There are better ways within DIVI of displaying a map, but this is just to illustrate the fact you can put HTML code directly into your page like this using the code module. So if I just save that, what you see is the effect of that code, which is the map which was taken from here, and we copied that information from Google. So I'll just save my changes, and we exit the Visual Builder. Then if I scroll down, you've got all the usual bits and pieces that we've added here. And right down at the end here, you've got that map. And as I say, there are better ways of using maps with DIVI. We'll cover that later. But this is purely an example of how you can embed some HTML code directly into your pages using the code module.